Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Rakuten Advertising for US affiliate campaigns, detailed guides. To enable Rakuten Advertising for US affiliate campaigns, start by visiting the Rakuten Advertising website. Log in to your Rakuten Advertising account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Programs tab located in the menu. Click on Find Programs to explore available affiliate programs. Filter the options to show only US-based campaigns. Review the list of programs that cater to your niche or audience. Select a program that interests you by clicking on its name. Read through the program details, including commission rates and cookie duration. If it meets your criteria, click on the Join Program button. You may need to provide additional information to apply. Once your application is submitted, wait for approval from the Programs Manager. After approval, return to the dashboard. Navigate to the Links tab to generate affiliate links. Select the specific campaign you want to promote. Use the provided tools to create custom links or banners. Ensure you copy the HTML code or link for your promotional materials. Implement the affiliate links into your website or social media. Monitor your campaign performance through the analytics provided in the dashboard. Keep track of clicks, conversions, and commissions to optimize your strategy. Regularly update your promotional material based on performance insights. Engage with the affiliate network for support or inquiries. Stay informed about any new program offerings or changes. This will ensure a successful experience with Rakuten Advertising. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.